Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a pair of mirrored candle holders. So what you're going to need some of this gold bling wrap. This is from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. You'll also need some of these faux pearls, these white faux pearls. They are from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. Now from Dollar Tree, you're going to need an octagonal mirror. And if you don't want to use this octagonal shape, you can certainly use any shape you like. They have the round ones, square ones, so you can select whatever shape you like. You'll need a large piece of foam board from Dollar Tree. I have some scrap here that's cut to the shape and size of the mirror, so I'll be using that. And then you'll need 2 of these glass taper candle holders from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to be assembling my project with hot glue. Now, if you decide you want to make this project permanent or any of the components permanent, you can use something like E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project. If I decide to use additional items, I will list them in the description box below for you as well. Let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't these elegant taper Christmas candle holders turn out absolutely beautifully? They were so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. I'd like to thank you all very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.